How to fix Snapchat media upload problem. Hello and welcome back to the channel. Let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. If you're facing an upload problem, the top-notch problem is your Wi-Fi connection. If your Wi-Fi is acting up, switch into a better Wi-Fi connection or a cellular data. You can also enable the airplane mode for about 3 seconds, then turn it back off. Then try again to upload any media that you're trying to. If the issue still persists, there might be a technical bug or a glitch issue. To solve it, tap Open your phone settings. Scroll down, tap on the Apps option. Head over to All Apps. Tap on the search icon to search for Snapchat. In here, firstly tap on the Force Stop button and OK. Head over to Storage and Cache and tap on Clear Cache. After which, head back from here. Next step, launch a Play Store or App Store. In the search bar, you need to search for Snapchat. Check if there is any available update. If there is any, just leave your application for an update. Then relaunch your application. The last resort is to uninstall your application and reinstall it later. By this way, you'll be able to fix the media upload problem. And just like that, you have made it to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.